She thinks that it's your readiness, and I couldn't understand what does she mean by readiness. Do you have any some scientific proof that this is the age of maturity?
When someone gets into job or professional life, his maturity or his maturity starts.
If you are elder and you have responsibilities in very early age, I think you are mature enough.
And the late marriage is behind all these disruption.
Life cycle will be disturbed if someone is marrying at the age of 30.
I think 22 is the best age.
I can't understand this contradiction. In books, something is different, but the practical life is different, no? أعوذ بالله السميع العليم من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
My name's Wahid Hassan. I belong to Hushab and my qualification is BS Engineering.
I'm Asad Freed. I belong to Johorabad and I'm civil engineer.
I am Wajid Ali and I belong to Johorabad and my qualification is BS in English Linguistics.
My name is Mohsin Latif. I belong to Johorabad city and my qualification is BS Mechanical Engineering.
City. What's the word? City.
My name is Mohammad Umar Farooq.
Okay.
I'm resident of Johorabad.
Okay.
And I'm a physiotherapist by profession.
MashaAllah. Please.
My name is Husna Khalid. I belong to District Hushab.
Okay.
And I have recently completed my BS in Computer Sciences.
Okay. When we decide to marry someone, do you remember?
Yes, sir.
So, what should be kept in mind? The age, the qualities of your dream spouse, and so on. So, be scientific, be logical. Don't beat the bush, please. Don't talk irrelevant, no. Please.
Sir, everyone says in society that if we are of age of 22, 25, we should get married. I
Okay.
don't think like that. I think when we are mentally ready, we can take responsibilities and we can, all do all things, then we get married.
Wait. From today, I won't let you know that run. I'll keep pausing.
Yes.
So don't mind it.
Yes.
Because I want to make my concepts clear.
Sir, I'm saying that when we are ready for marriage,
Okay.
doesn't matter it's 30 or 34, it's 20.
Be logical. What's your point of view?
I don't believe in age.
So what's your standard? The point, no, which should be kept in mind that this is the time, no, to go for marriage. She thinks that it's your readiness, and I couldn't understand what does she mean by readiness. That is the standard.
Yes.
Ready, whether you are ready for the marriage or not. Readiness.
Sir, I think the age of between 25 to 30 is the age of getting married.
Okay.
It's the age of maturity, you think,
You are of the point of view that the age it should be between 25 and 30.
Yes, sir.
And you reckon that this is the age when someone has maturity.
Yes, sir.
Do you have any some scientific proof that this is the age of maturity?
Sir, before 25, everyone is busy, regardless of the gender, both girls and boys, busy in studying, whether he's an engineer or a doctor or whatever profession he or she belongs. When someone gets into job or professional life, that's his maturity or his maturity starts.
So
Yes.
you mean to say that someone should be professional before he or she gets married?
Yes, sir.
The way she started it is more logical, point by point. Age.
Sir, in my opinion, age is concerned less than maturity. I think maturity is the main factor.
To you, age in years,
Yes.
it is not in the question.
Yes.
What is to be kept in mind? That is maturity.
Yes, sir.
My question. What do you mean by maturity?
Sir, maturity means when you are mentally prepared for that lifetime commitment. Some people says that maturity is the thing that comes with the passage of time or with age.
Okay.
I think it's not the ideal case for everyone. Maturity is basically the scenario of your environment. If you are elder and you have responsibilities in very early age, I think you are mature enough.
So what could I understand that when you say maturity, you mean to say when someone is given some responsibilities to perform,
Yes, sir.
he performs those activities successfully.
Yes, sir.
Or whatever, know that the job description of someone is that person does that successfully.
Yes, sir.
So this success speaks of his, or testifies his or her maturity.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, I personally believe that age is important as if we talk about marriage.
Okay.
So I'm just talking about Islamic point of view.
Okay.
As related to age.
Okay.
As there are so many commands of our Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam that marriage should be done as earlier as the boy or girl is adult. You know what we do normally in our society, we wait for our education should complete,
Okay.
or we start a good career, or we have a big house. But I think so these things are going to take our society from destruction, right? Rape cases and sexual abuses cases are increasing day by day, and if we go for a deep study and we find the factors behind that, and the late marriage is behind all these destruction. So I think so the marriage should be done as soon as the boy or girl become adult.
Okay.
Because it has so many positive
That's later. The standard, the criteria which you have shared with us is that it should be the moment when we come to know that the couple, the boy and the girl, they become adult.
Yeah.
So adulthood is the standard as far as your opinion is concerned. No? So this adulthood, is it the same in the whole world or it varies now?
Yeah, it varies, but we can just take as a standard like 18 years, like in our constitution that 18 years is the age when 18 years the age of adulthood. So if a boy and girl 18 years, then we should arrange their marriage.
It's adulthood,
Yeah.
and adulthood is defined in years in a scientific way.
Yeah.
And you referred to our constitution.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yes, sir, I will agree with him that marriage should be done in the early ages from 18 to 22. And
Okay.
I do not believe that one should marry at 27 to 30 years. Life cycle will be disturbed if someone is marrying at the age of 30. Then his first child marriage will come at the age when he will be at 60. But that is above the average age
Okay.
in our culture. And I think that the success of any person should not be connected with the marriage.
Okay.
I think 22 is the best age for getting married because
You are also of the point of view
Yes.
that the age should be at the age of now
22.
22, around 22.
Yes.
No? And to your surprise, I got married at the age of 22 and a half. So, whatever I could pick from your points, readiness between 29 and 30, maturity, and it has nothing to do with that age as far as it is responsibility. Excellent. See, and 18 adulthood, 22, 18 to 22, and 22. And this example of 22 and a half. You want to say something? Today you're not allowed, to run. Be scientific.
I'm saying every girl want to be settled in a good house to go
Okay.
and fulfill their dream.
True.
I'm just want to say at the age of 22, man
Okay.
is not capable for
Okay.
that to fulfill his responsibility. Then
True.
how can he get married at 22?
Okay. The girl wouldn't like to marry the one who is hardly 22, because the person who is 22, he is unable now to run the house affair. He is unable now to translate the dreams of that his bride into reality. Clear? Yesterday you said that it's money which has nothing to do with that, better life, but today you are involving that aspect in your life.
No, sir, as they are saying about age factor 18, 22, this is very.
No, actually, but the reason you gave, that is actually money. That is profession. That is his success, as far as his, you can say, capability, to run the affairs of house is concerned in the form of money. So I can't understand this contradiction, It seems that we read books, and in books something is different, but the practical life is different, No. The next question. Without some profession, without some job, without some service, now that going for marriage, does it make sense? Please.
Yes, sir, it's important for having career before marriage.
Okay.